Right, guys, welcome back. So you saw in the last video, this bike sounds like this instead of like this. And then I got this lovely message from my brother saying, why does it sound like there's no spark plugs in that motor? My immediate response was, nope, there's definitely plugs in. And after a few days I started to wonder, are there plugs in? I mean, I did fit this motor a good couple of months ago, so maybe I forgot, maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But now we have to go through the procedure of why is this not starting. So first things first, let's take off the inspection cap. So this is the starter clutch, and what we're looking for here is to see if the crank is turning when we swing the motor, and that will answer us if the motor is turning. So as you remember, that was my first thing. It doesn't sound like there's any pressure build up, any compression building up. It doesn't sound like this motor is actually turning. Everything's connected. Key is on. Yep, it's on. And so the crank is turning. So let's check the obvious. Are there spark plugs in this motor? If there's no spark plugs in here, I'm going to shoot myself. Right, here we are. And what's down there? Oh my word. What in the world? Rookie mistakes. See, this is when you're not a full-time mechanic. I'm not even a real mechanic. I'm just playing. So obviously the spark plugs was in the other head. I gave the mechanic 2 heads, 2 casings, and asked him to build me up a motor. And spark plugs are probably in the other head still, and I just assumed. I don't recall checking, but clearly that was a mistake on my part. Let's get some plugs. Here we go. There's the other head. Up. And there's no spark plugs in here either. Damn it. I have to go buy new ones. I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to still go look for spark plugs. So I'm just quickly going to pull it out of the silver bike. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Yeah, fresh feeling. Ha! Just rainwater. Yeah. I got a fright now. Water was shooting up at me. It's just rainwater in the exhaust. Hey, winning! Woo! A lot of water. Yeah? At least I take the exhaust off. But yeah, it's rainwater that's stuck in the exhaust system. And there's no fuel in the bike. Woo! Started! Yo! Oh man. Ha! She starts. Awesome. Was just spark plugs. Procured it from our donor bike. Yeah. I need to just put the exhausts. Need to put everything back together again. And then find that water pipe so that we can get this thing started. Yo, something so simple, something so stupid, something that we overlook when we don't do this every day. She started. Yes! Oh man, something so stupid, something that we overlook, because like I say, I don't do this every day. I put this motor in here in January. I did my checks now, assuming that everything was here, but it wasn't. But yeah, the spark plugs, I don't know what happened to the original spark plugs. They were good spark plugs, I know, because I bought them when I was servicing the Lemon looking for the problem. So I don't know, they've gone missing. We'll have to get another set. They're not in either head. Silver bike, nicely donated a set of plugs. So yeah, time to get some fresh fuel in the bike, find that water pipe so that the radiator can be fitted, the water can be put in, the bike can idle warm without worries about that. But she starts. That was the only goal. That was the end goal. So yeah, guys, I'm happy. Are you happy? Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that content. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace.